Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. Snack salad. Anyway, this salad is the one including the food yesterday from the catering. We have I did not cook anything today because we still have the food that we from the catering yesterday. We did not finish the food from the catering for the birthday celebration, and this is including this one. And we have so many 3 kinds of cake, cupcake and the cake, the together with the cake they ordered outside, and the cake from the catering service, because of high sugar. We need to limit the sugar intake because of the diabetic. We need to watch out our diet, especially this time na our age is not young anymore. I prefer to eat healthy food for snack. Anyway, I'm tired today because I'm so busy today. So many I just finished ironing, so plenty clothes to be ironed. Anyway guys, today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday and enjoy your day. May your day filled with love, joy, peace, happiness, compassion, and unity to each other. May salad. If you notice, I'm eating here in the bed. Because in the kitchen, so many things there. I don't have place to put my plate there. In the living room, somebody sleeping there. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. Have a nice day everyone. See you next time.